Om Shanti. Essence of Murli. 9th July 2025. Sweet Baba says, Sweet children, the Father has come to give you the jewels of this knowledge. Whatever the Father says or explains to you, it is knowledge. No one, except the ocean of knowledge, can give you the jewels of this knowledge. Question: what is the main reason why the value of souls decreases? Answer: the value decreases when alloy is mixed into them. Just as the value of jewelry made with gold becomes less when alloy is mixed into it, in the same way, when the alloy of impurity is mixed into souls that are like pure gold, their value decreases. At this time, souls that are Tamopradhan have no value. Even their bodies have no value. You souls and your bodies are now both becoming valuable by having remembrance. Song is: who came today early in the morning? Essence for Dharana. First is: in order to claim your full inheritance from the Father, your actions have to be equal to your words. Make effort for this. Become a conqueror of attachment. Second is: constantly remember that you are the children of the ocean of peace and that you have to remain peaceful. Keep that bead in your mouth. Don't waste your time by being careless. Blessing for today. May you be a contented soul who is loved by everyone and makes the fortress of this gathering strong. Details are: the power of this gathering is a special power. No one can shake the fortress of this gathering that is united in one direction. However, the basis for this is to be loving with one another and to give regard to everyone, to remain content yourself and to make others content. Let no one be disturbed and let no one disturb you. Let all of you continue to give one another the cooperation of good wishes and pure feelings, and the fortress of this gathering will then become strong. The power of this gathering is the special basis for victory. Slogan is: when every act of yours is accurate and yukt, you would then be called a pure soul. Om Shanti. Avyakt signal. Accumulate the power of thoughts and become an instrument for elevated service. The very good thoughts that every child has for himself and for service, that from now on, he will do this or do it in that way, that he will definitely do something and show it to everyone. Those who sow the seeds of such elevated thoughts, that is, continue to be sustained the seeds and put into a practical form, those seeds of theirs will definitely become fruitful.